Hi, I'm Carl and welcome back to my shop. I'm really excited today because I'm going to start a new project. Now, I'm almost excited about this. I am as excited about this project, this new project, as I was about my tool cabinet that I made back last summer. As you can see right now, my shop is pretty empty. This is all cleaned out. I can walk way back here. There's nothing here. It's all cleaned out. Now you might ask why. Well, I'm going to build a 4-foot by 8-foot work table right here. Now I have some really nice work benches in the shop, but some of them are 22 inches wide, some of them are 29 inches wide. They really weren't made for woodworking. My dad made them for doing mechanical work, for working on tractors and cars and that type of thing. And I want to wait to get a little warmer. So now it's in the 50s here in Michigan, so it's a good time to start building this so I can use my wood glue. Here's some sheets of plywood that I have right here. I already did some sweeping. So I think I'm all ready to start. And like I said, I'm really excited about this, and I really hope that you enjoy this video too. So, hey, let's get started. Happy to say that I have all the framing done for my workbench. This is the top right here. Of course. And then this is the bottom, which would be a shelf. Pretty happy with the way it turned out so far. Next, the plywood for the top and for the shelves. Here's one of the hollow legs. This thing is heavy though already. I really don't need any extra ballast or extra weight, but I always like to over-engineer things. Well, unfortunately, I'm going to have to end this video on a little bit of an anticlimactic note. I was really hoping to pick this up and weigh each 4 legs and tell you the exact weight of my workbench. The problem is that the jack that I was going to put underneath the bottom rail here doesn't fit. The bottom rail is too close to the floor. So I can't pick it up. I can't physically pick it up. I can't physically even move it, slide it across the ground. That's how heavy this workbench weighs now. So I don't have no way of actually picking this up and weighing it. I know I had it weighed 800 pounds before I put dirt in it. I put dirt in the legs. I put the bottom shelf down here, which is solid wood. So I'm estimating, I have no way of proving it or confirming it, but I'm estimating that it weighs about 1,000 pounds. So I got exactly what I wanted. A workbench that won't move. That's what, when I started making that's exactly what I wanted, and that's what I got, so I'm happy about it. I know if I ever comes really down to it, if I have to move it, I can, but it's not going to be moved very easily, and that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted a strong, durable workbench that's not going to move very easily on me during vibration or just from sheer force of a hand plane or so forth. So I got it. Good table, 6 feet wide, 8 feet long, good work surface. It's going to be great for assembly and for woodworking and everything in between. I'm hoping to do a little bit more. I'm planning on doing a little bit more to this table down the road to put on a few bells and whistles, so to speak. I'm planning on putting an invoice on. I'm planning on putting some dog holes in here. I'm planning to put a ceiling on the top of it to finish it. And I'll probably do a few other little things too. But that's going to be another video because this video is going to be long enough, and on this video I just want to concentrate on the build. And later on down the road, when I do some improvements, I'll bring you along. So, thanks for watching this video. Until next time, get out there and make something and have some fun. And also, have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.